Hello, everyone. Welcome to this course. The topic of this section is Event Tracking Test. After the event tracking configuration, we also need to test the event to see if the event configuration is correct. There are two methods I use more commonly. One is to use preview, which is preview in GTM, and behind it is to use tag assistant. Currently, the built-in preview of GTM only supports tag assistant. The second type is DebugView. The real-time report data of GA4 can only see the last 30 minutes of data, and cannot see the real-time data. However, GA4 provides a report dedicated to testing, namely DebugView, which can be tested through DebugView. Next, I will demonstrate the specific operation. Open GTM. Assume that your event tracking has been set up. Then directly click Preview in the upper right corner. You can see that there is a prompt here in the lower back corner and it is already running. Wait a while to open a new page. It's Tag Assistant. Fill in the URL here of the site you want to test. The following include debug signal in the URL must be checked. This can be used to determine whether the page enters the test state. Then click Start. It will connect to your website and open your website. If there is one more GTM_debug in the address bar of your website, there is a debug connected tool in the lower right corner, indicating that the test loading has been entered. We return to the Tag Assistant. Click Continue to confirm the connection. Google containers found here means that there are two containers. Shown are GTM and GA4 containers. These are the behaviors it records. These are data recorded to send. What we want to test is GA4. Here select GA4. Click it directly. Return to the blog. To simulate the user's operation directly, click BCS. Then return to Tag Assistant. Find the click just now in the behavior. This is just click BCS. Click it. There is data under hits sent, which means there is a trigger to send data. Click on it to view the specific data passed. Event name is click BCS. Event parameter is page URL BCS. It was set by us, indicating that the event configuration is okay. If the event is not triggered, how to deal with it? Event tracking is not triggered. 80 to 90% is because the trigger is set incorrectly. Click on the GTM container. Find the behavior. Then find tags that are not triggered in tags not fired. Open it and check which condition in triggers is indicated as a cross. Modify this trigger condition and test again until the test is successful. This is the way to pass the preview test. Next, look at DebugView. Also need to click Preview to open. Then open the GA4 report. Click DebugView. Here in the lower left corner, the data will be recorded in real time here. This icon indicates event tracking. Click BCS is the event tracking we set up. For example, click BCS. These are all event parameters. You can see the page URL BCS we set here. It means that our event tracking is set up successfully. The test is no problem. You can release the version in GTM. This section ends here. In the next section, I will talk about how to register event parameters.